Traveling. What is traveling and who are travelers?
Travelers are dreamers who make their desire for adventure a reality. And we want to share our adventurous journey which we turned into reality. Riding to Northeast India, covering 8 states in 16 days, approximately 4,200 kilometers. Here we go. Cheers to yours. Wow, this is so good. And the temperature is dropping tremendously. So guys, we are playing Antakshari because it is freezing cold. First gear. And this is Mummy. Day one. It's day one and we are all set. Mommy and Daddy came to see us off. So we are all set and we will come safely. हम लोग safely आ जाएंगे सचिन और बहुत मजा करेंगे. Daddy, what do you want to say? अरे वैष्णो माता की प्रसाद है. वैष्णो माता का प्रसाद खाने के लिए.
Safe and peaceful journey. Go and set to go.
I am a coolest dad. Princey, he is here to see us off and he is very sad because because we all.
थोड़ा तेरी awake किया.
Princey, hi bol, hi. He's a bit sad and he's not liking us as we are going, but again we will be back, Princey. It's 7:30 in the morning and we are all wrong. ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे साथी हैं. कनेक्टेड फील हो रहा है यार.
So we have taken first halt near Kasara and we'll be having some poha and some chai. What else you want?
I want a tea. I don't know. I have a bit of headache. Not because of lenses or what, but I have a headache kind of thing. So I'll have a good adrak ka chai.
So we just had some poha and some misal. Now we'll be having chai. I was so hungry.
And Sachin is already.
Yeah, I just love misal. Thanks, guys.
Cheers to yours. Indore is more 350 kilometers and oh my god. This is the ghat I was talking about. It's beautiful. अरे नंबर पर zigzag भी था.
We have completed 200 kilometers and we have taken a short break. Indore is 360 kilometers from here. That is our first stop today. I'm currently in Dhule and the silencer has moved little backwards. So fortunately I got the service center. These guys are like curious which bike is that? Is it of Mahindra's bike? So I'm answering their questions as well and getting repaired this thing also. Thank you. Yeah. Message Nehal. This thing has moved backwards, so he's putting it ahead. Let's see how it goes. So this guy has repaired my silencer. नहीं माझ्यासाठी ठेवतो मी. So thank you.
I was so tensed that where was Sachin, because when Sachin stopped a few kilometers back, I was still coming ahead. I came at least 20-25 kilometers ahead. I was ahead of him, and then I finally realized that Sachin is not in range. And yes, I'm using Bluetooth for the first time. So when that 2222 का आवाज़ आया, so I thought that the battery is down. However, Sachin was not in my range, so that was one thing. So finally he's here, and I don't know what has happened, and I was all alone in this hotel, and thank God,
Dhaba.
yeah, dhaba. I was all alone in this dhaba, and I was thinking that okay, itni ladkiyan they ride alone, so how they manage? So I got a feel of that today. And hats off to those girls who ride alone in India. Great. कुछ नहीं, वो स्पीड ब्रेकर को नहीं लेकर जाना था, फिर भी मेरी जाबिस चली गई. And the Indore is 174 kilometers. Not bad. I think last time when we rode here, we stood here and we jumped in, and we have a couple of things here, I'm sure. Guys who drive so slowly to reach from point A to point B, I think it's really a great task, and we crib about our job.
So we have taken a halt for a lunch in this wonderful dhaba. Kiran is resting here. Hi Kiran. How are you feeling now?
I have a headache, bit of headache. I had Ceridon, but yes, I have a little bit. But I think after eating bhindi, I'll be...
Yes. So she had a headache in the morning because since past few days we were very much excited and lots of anxiety issues. So we could not sleep properly for past some days. So we have ordered bhindi. So he is preparing bhindi. Bhindi क्या कुरकुरी बोला है ना? हाँ. Taking rest on these khatiyas is too blissful after such a tiring ride, but we are not tired yet. We are done with the lunch. Now we'll proceed towards Indore. Shall we?
Yup, let's go. Atiti Satkar, where we did a booking already before, and it's what is the time, Sachin? It's I think it's 6:30 or 7 o'clock something, and we have reached here. We covered 560 kilometers. We covered 560 kilometers today, and everything was great. Everything happened good. Sachin is there over there. He's doing the formalities and all those things. And where are we going now then? 301 is. I asked him where are we going for a sightseeing, and he's saying we are going to rest. Yes. Guys, so this is how the riders room look like. It's so messed up, and frankly we are very tired.
This is our saddle
keep
bag.
everything on place. So this is how it is, and now we are going to the rooftop for some fuel.
For the stomachs.
So
Let's go?
Yeah.
Good evening. So this is the rooftop restaurant of this hotel Atiti Satkar. Kiran is busy in searching what she wants to eat.
Lovely song.
Yes, and they are playing this live music over here.
If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment below. Till time, keep
Roaming.